everyone, welcome back to a new video. So in this video, we are going to be talking about a new Telegram bot that was launched by Dogs, and it has $400,000 up in rewards. That means 100,000 plus rewards for everyone that joins the application. So first of all, you're going to check the description into the link to the Telegram bot. You click on it, you click on start, and you click on help Santa. Alright, then you click on get gift. So basically, this application is kind of a Telegram bot. So what you'll be doing is that you'll be merging emojis together, okay? You'll be merging emojis together to get gift. Then you don't click on go to gift, and click on claim. And you collect the price. So here's what I understand about the game. First of all, you are going to be merging gifts together. So you click on get gift. Though if you follow the first thing I came out with, I'll be able to merge your gift for the first time. Click on get gift, you exchange it. Now you're going to have to merge gifts, but you can't always be merging gifts, okay? Because sometimes you'll be out of stars. Okay, so gift is not actually stars. Gift is different from stars. Okay, so let me just get out here. This is the giveaway. So once you are doing it, you'll be able to participate in giveaways. The more you're able to do, the more you're able to participate in different giveaways too. Because I think the giveaways with the highest number of stars required, right? That is what you have minimum people, but believe me, some people remember how we used to bot referrals. So if you can participate for the giveaway for the 17 Pro Max, right now you're participating. Now you just do this one and come out man, because a lot of people will be participating for that iPhone 17 but you can keep on getting more gifts. And you click on game, you'll be able to get gift. Now there's what we call kind of like me, I call it flash. I'm yet to get what they call it in game, but when you click on get gift, it's actually energy. So you have 20 energy. You earn one every 7 minutes. So you earn one every 7 minutes, 30 seconds. So you do the calculation to be able to get 20. So when you get, as you can see, I got 2 similar emojis. So you swipe the emojis, okay? You merge them together. When you merge them, you get a new emoji, okay? So now that new emoji, if you have a similar emoji like that, you can merge it together. Now as you can see up here, we have star. So this is the same star. I call it star, but I'll try to get what they call it in game. If you click on it, it'll take you to this holiday giveaway homepage. This is where you can get all you can see the required stars for the thing you want. You just apply for all. Now you can also complete tasks. You click on this task section, you'll be able to complete tasks, okay? So you'll be able to earn daily bonus of 10 energy, okay? Now you'll be able to, the more tasks you do, the more energy you get, all right? The more tasks you do, the more energy you get. And let's not forget, you can refer to earn, okay? You click on this friends place, you click on invite a friend. If you click on invite a friend, you get access to your referral link, okay? So as you can see, it's telling me that to send. That's for those of you that have Telegram friends, but if you don't, just click on copy link. It's copy a accessible link you can send to anyone to join, okay? Then if you go over to your advent, this is just like checking, okay? So you'll be able to check in up to the 30th day of this month, all right? So now 30th of this month is not going to be 30th of this month, it's going to enter January, but you click on claim now. So when you claim, you can claim gifts, okay? So you can see your gift prediction is how many days did this year did you behave well? 78. So that's my gift, okay? So some of the gifts are quite random. So this one is tomorrow, okay? So I'm going to be explaining other sections as we go on. Now this is the shop part, okay? So just like when we guys to have Telegram applications last year, this part you can actually use Turn Star to buy things in game, okay? I know they will introduce that because no company wants to do an application by introducing that. So you'll be able to buy things, you buy gift boxes, fortune girls boxes, but I'll create another video to explain what I mean about these gift boxes. But just like I tell you guys, just do what you can do freely, but don't start investing money. But some of you will go ahead to start buying tons and be trying to buy in-game things. Don't invest money in any application. After what we have been seeing since last year, no Telegram project cooked since Notcoin, and after Notcoin we have dots. After try the bit, but after there will be dots. Okay, so this is the shop section. You just that's pay to earn for those that want to be paying money for the applications and get things. Then we have presents. So presents are supposed to be what you have won. Okay, so these are where what you have won is. Okay, so you can share this video to your friends that you are inviting, because I explained everything throughout this tutorial. So just remember that game is where you can actually merge. You can use your gifts. As long as you have gifts, you'll be able to merge. As you can see, I already have two. As you see, I have two. You just merge them together. You get a new emoji. You can put the emoji here. Now there are other slots that are available, but you invite friends, you unlock those slots. So you can't be unlucky that you won't get emojis to fill up those parts. It just can't be that unlucky, but still do try to be far for those of you that can. Thank you very much, guys, for watching this video. If you like to see my videos like this, please click on the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell to get notified when I upload content like this. Our WhatsApp group is in the description box to share updates there, just like every update we get updates like test them. For those that have been time limited, I will see that those tests everything. I'll share it with the one that I've not tested it. Alright, so I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Peace out.